Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command & Conquer Red Alert 3 online. First, you will need a stable internet connection and a legitimate copy of the game. We will explore the community-driven platform that enables online play, ensuring you can connect with friends or new opponents. This method bypasses the original server limitations, offering a robust multiplayer experience for everyone. To begin, download the Command & Conquer Online client, often referred to as C&C Online. This essential tool acts as a server browser and matchmaking service. Visit their official website to get the latest version, which is typically a small file, less than 10 megabytes. After downloading, install it to a convenient location on your computer, preparing for the next step. Once installed, open the C&C Online client. You will need to hook the client to your Red Alert 3 game. This usually involves selecting the game from a list and confirming its installation path. The client then modifies the game's launch process to enable its online features. Always launch Red Alert 3 directly through the C&C Online client for successful multiplayer access. With the game launched via C&C Online, head to the multiplayer section. You will see a list of available lobbies created by other players. You can join an existing game or host your own. Hosting allows you to set game rules and invite specific friends. Enjoy countless hours of strategic warfare against opponents from around the globe, experiencing the full thrill of Red Alert 3 online.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.